Today we're just going to run through a quick tutorial on templates. So I'm just in the edit board page and I'm going to create a new skin, and then up here in the top right hand side we've got the load template button. So I'm just going to click on that, and we've got add to skin or replace skin content. Replace skin content will remove any layers that you have there already. Add to skin will just add on top. So I'm just going to click on add to skin and then choose a template. So I'm going to go basic PU, and there we go, it just loads up all the layers. One thing I like to do is, if you've got a few standard logos that you use and some standard layouts, is add in those other logos into the template. So here I've got the black logos loaded up, but I can easily turn those off, so I can switch it out to blue logos. So it just saves loading up new logos every time by having them already in the template. As I was saying before, you can add to a skin. So I'm going to click on the load template button again and click on add skin, and here I've just got a rail spray, so I'm just going to click on that and it's added the rail spray, and then I can just go and give it some quick little adjustments and we're done. So one more thing to note is that you can go and manage your templates too. So I'll just go out of here, cancel out of here, and go into templates. So here don't really like that name there, so I'm just going to go in and change that and rename that just like that. And you can delete your templates as well if you don't want them anymore. And over here there's a whole bunch of sample templates that just has some common setups. Alright, that's how you add and remove templates.